Hello friends, I am Dr. Apoorv. I am a bariatric surgeon in Apoorv High Tech Indore. Today I am going to discuss that why you choose Apoorv High Tech for your bariatric surgical procedure. There are few points for which patients come to us for bariatric surgery. The point number one is the procedure selection. We select appropriate procedure for any bariatric patient depending on the weight of the patient and the metabolic status of the patient, be it a gastric bypass or a mini gastric bypass or a sleeve gastrectomy. And this selection is based on various factors with our experience, including the diabetes and the hypertensive status of the patient, considering the thyroid or the adrenal problems or the respiratory problems associated with obesity. So these are the points which we are getting very good results by our experience. The next point is transparency in communication. We are completely transparent in understanding the procedure, in delivering the information about the bariatric surgical procedure, and in understanding every minute details and every minute issues of the patient. So we are always there to deliver thoughts, exchange the issues. So this is point number two. Then the other very important part is the medical fitness. All those patients who come to us for bariatric surgical procedures are seen by our medical team, that is including the endocrinologist, the cardiologist, the general physician and the chest physician, because all these issues may cause a problem in bariatric surgery in the perioperative period. So all this fitness is taken and we get a green nod from the specialist, and then we go ahead with the bariatric surgery. And for that we have a very good medical team for last 17 years with us. So this is point number 3. The another important part is the risk stratification based on the medical fitness, as I have already discussed. So risk stratification is done for all the bariatric patients, and it is conveyed, and there is a transparency by which it is conveyed that yes, you fall into a minimum risk, moderate risk or a high risk bariatric surgical procedure. So this is conveyed to the patients and their attendants and relatives. Point number 5 is we are a non-commercial center. We don't very overtly market ourselves, but we are more into patient-friendly center where we focus on the patient. We need that the patient outcome should be best in our hands, and it is for last 17 years. So this is point number 5. The point number 6 is that we have put a very moderate cost for all the bariatric surgical procedures, and including the balloon, the gastric bypass, the mini gastric bypass and the sleeve gastrectomy. So there is a very moderate package we are providing to the patient, so that more and more patients should take the advantage of it. The last but not least is the long-term guidance what we provide to our patients. We give them regular information in a month's or 3-monthly interval for the patients who have undergone bariatric surgery in the past with us, and we guide them for a long term. So friends, these are all the important points that why you choose Apoorv High Tech for your bariatric surgical procedure. Thank you. Take care.